Welcome to the deep dive. We've got this great list of computer keyboard shortcuts someone shared.
Yeah, quite a list.
Right. So our mission basically is to sift through it and pull out the absolute essentials.
The ones that'll give you an immediate boost.
Exactly. Stuff you can use right away. Doesn't matter if you're super techie or not. Make things, well, faster.
Totally. We're aiming for those shortcuts that just become muscle memory, you know? They really change how you work with your computer. It's like finding a speed boost you didn't know was there.
Okay, so why should people even, bother learning these? It's faster, sure, less clicking. But what's the deeper benefit?
Well, it's interesting. It really helps with focus. Keeping your hands on the keyboard means fewer little interruptions. You stay in the zone.
Ah, okay, so it's not just saving a second here or there.
No, it's about saving that mental energy, keeping your flow going.
Right, makes sense. So let's dig into the absolute basics, the big three: copy, paste, cut.
The found.
Yeah. So copy is Ctrl+C on Windows or Linux, Command+C on Mac. Simple idea, right?
Super simple.
Yeah.
You select something, text, a file, whatever, hit that combo, and boom, it's copied to this temporary holding spot, the clipboard.
Like a digital photocopy.
Exactly. And think about how often you retype stuff. This just, well, eliminates that. Less work, less thinking about the mechanics.
And then paste is how you use that copy. Ctrl+V or Command+V for Mac users.
Yep. Takes whatever's waiting on the clipboard and just drops it where your cursor is.
Like filling in a form or grabbing a link.
Oh, yeah. Drafting emails, moving bits of text around. It's fundamental.
Okay, then there's cut. Ctrl+X or Command+X. How's that different from copy?
It's like copy, but it also removes the original. So you select something, cut it, it goes to the clipboard, but it disappears from where it was.
Ah, so it's for moving things.
Precisely. Think about organizing files. Cut and paste is often way quicker than dragging and dropping, especially if you're moving things between different folders or drives.
Okay, got it. Now, we all mess up sometimes. So undo and redo seem pretty crucial. Undo is Ctrl+Z.
Or Command+Z, yeah.
Yeah.
This one is your best friend, seriously.
Your digital erasure.
Totally. Delete something by accident. Ctrl+Z. Make a weird formatting change. Ctrl+Z gives you the freedom to try stuff, you know,
Right?
knowing you can just step back instantly.
Takes the pressure off. And redo. That's Ctrl+Y on Windows, but different on Mac.
Yeah, on Mac, it's usually Command+Shift+Z. It's the opposite of undo. Say you undo something, then think, oh, wait,
I
actually.
wanted that back.
Exactly. Redo brings it right back. They work together like a little timeline for your recent actions. Very fluid.
Nice. Okay, shifting gears a bit. Managing all the open windows, switching apps, Alt+Tab on Windows.
Then Command+Tab on Mac. Oh, this is huge for multitasking.
Instead of clicking around the taskbar.
Yeah, just flick Alt+Tab and you cycle through everything that's open. Super fast way to jump between, say, your browser and your document. Keeps you moving.
Another big one. Select all, Ctrl+A, or Command+A.
So useful. Need to grab all the text in a document or all the files in a folder.
Bam, one shortcut.
Yep. Saves so much dragging, especially if you've got like hundreds of files or a super long web page.
And speaking of long web pages or documents, finding stuff, Alt+F or Command+F,
Yeah.
the find command.
Oh, indispensable. You hit that, type what you're looking for, and it jumps you right to it. No more scrolling endlessly trying to spot a keyword. Works almost everywhere. Browsers, PDFs, word processors.
Okay, nearly there. Closing things down, Alt+F4 on Windows.
Right, and Command+Q on Mac. These are generally for closing the entire application.
So not just the window, the whole program usually.
Yeah, be a little careful with these. On Mac, sometimes Command+W just closes the current window or tab, which can be handy too. But Alt+F4 and Command+Q are more like the quit command.
Good distinction. And the last one, maybe the most important, save.
Please, yes. Shridrall+S or Command+S. Burn this into your brain.
Make it a reflex action.
Absolutely. Hit it often, like all the time. Power outage, program crash. Hitting save regularly is the simplest way to avoid disaster. Your future self will definitely thank you.
It's amazing how these 10, just 10, are so widely applicable.
That's the beauty of them. They work pretty much the same way across different operating systems, different apps. Learn them once, use them everywhere.
So quick recap. Copy, paste, cut, undo, redo, switch apps, select all, find, close window or app, and save. That's our core 10.
Nail these, and you genuinely will navigate your computer much, much faster and smoother. It's a noticeable difference.
So here's a thought to leave you with. How much time do you reckon you spend reaching for the mouse for just these actions every day?
Probably more than you think.
Right. If you just pick, say, 2 or 3 of these to really integrate into your habits this week, imagine the time and maybe even frustration you'd save. So which one are you going to try first?